local boy. I've lived my entire life here in Middle Tennessee. I've been interested in cars basically since the point I started walking. At least, not necessarily cars, but mechanical, electronics, anything of that nature. Started with taking apart lawnmowers, bicycles, just random mechanical objects, and then graduated to engines when I got up a little older in life and started messing around with go-karts. I mainly, after high school, just kind of floated from holdover job to holdover job. And before I started here, it just kind of came to that point to where I was like, what do I want to do? And it was between automotive school or culinary school. And culinary school, the field isn't very competitive. And so this is where I wound up, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. Oh yeah, I was extremely excited. The biggest thing about it for me is I'm a hands-on learner. I can read it and read it and read it and read it, and eventually I'll get it. But if you show me, usually you can show me that one time and I can run with it. So when I toured here and just seeing how things were done and how the shops were laid out, I knew it would be a good fit. Well, the high performance, it kind of strings from the go-karts. I've got a fully built billet motor go-kart that has two 8-horsepower shots of nitrous on it. And for me, the higher I can get off the ground or the faster I can go, the better I feel. So I've always been extremely fascinated with speed, and just I told the wife that if I was going to go to school here, I was doing it all. Ultimately, I want to be on a top fuel team. I want to be the one in between runs, ripping the engine apart, seeing how everything looks, seeing what it needs to make that next pass a little bit faster. Like, that is my ultimate goal. Like most ambitious graduates, I was like, I will start at a dealership, gain a little more of that experience, and then I will blossom from there. If you are in any way interested in mechanical, cars, engines, anything of that nature, do it. Don't hesitate, just do it. I came back to school at 38 years old. The only wish that I have is that I could have done it sooner.